How are you? I hope so. All of you will be fine. Today we will discuss about the future of Wi-Fi and trends in the market. The climate science is clear. 5G operations. Operators have a key role to play in meeting global sustainability goals. Sustainability scaling 5G through holistic planning, network modernization, and energy smart operations. In the global ICT vendors' latest recent mobility report, AVP and head of business area network Frederick Judgeling introduced the November 2022 editions with a focus on how communication services provides SCSPS can deploy and scale 5G more sustainably while also delivering energy efficiencies into other global business sectors. And that's good thing because climate science has found that global greenhouse gas emissions need to be halved by 2030 and halved again each decade to reach net zero by 2050 at the latest. To mitigate the worst impact of global warming, while the ICT sectors, including digital devices, network, and data centers, is rapidly growing, its carbon footprint appears fairly stable, representing 1.4% of total global emissions. According to the Eurasian research, the ICT sector has the ability to drive its own decarbonization with an 80% reduction projected with a switch to renewable energy. Further, the ICT industry delivering technologies like 5G, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things could potentially reduce carbon emissions by up to 15% in sectors that invest in technologies enable business sustainability. Juggling, jugg- juggling ties together the data. More than 200 5G CSPs will connect 1 billion users by the end of 2022 and can expect traffic to double every 2 years. CSPs also have the opportunity to deliver ICT products and services to other sectors to help them reduce emissions by 15% by 2030. The telecommunication sectors has a key role to play in addressing global sustainability goals by reducing its own emissions and enabling the digitalization of range of services and industries. He wrote, for operators to reduce the environment impact, the growing data traffic need to be managed with smart network modernization combined with a balanced approach to network performance and use of energy saving functionality to break the trend of increasing energy usage in mobile networks. Service providers are taking actions to deploy the latest generation of energy efficient radio hardware and software, increase the use of renewable energy sources and operate site infrastructure intelligently, for example by implementing predictive maintenance method on site. That three-step approach, holistic network planning with a focus on balancing energy efficiency with user experience network modernization through hardware and software upgrade at the and energy smart operator leveraging AIMXL is explored in depth in this product featuring Sashika Seniviratni, Directors of Sustainability of Network at Horizon. Horizon 3-step approach is much more than conceptual guidance. The firm's customers are using this method to meet corporate, country, and global level environmental goal. And formerly the Etisalat Group is working toward the United Arab Emirates goal of reaching net zero by 2050 with and looking to use use its network to drive digital transformations in vital areas like education, healthcare and transportation. to reach net zero E and is committed to accelerating the decarbonization of activities while focusing on mobile network modernization with the deployment of the latest generation of energy efficient radio equipment, increased use of renewable energy source and carbon offsetting initiatives that are vital to achieve target. Group CEO Hatem Davider said a statement. And E and has five strategic pillars and in its sustainability framework: digital transformation and innovations, accountable business practices empowering people, connecting communities, and environmental management to that last pillar. The goal is to develop more sustainable products and enhance operations for improve environmental efficiencies through energy, water, and waste management. It also consider increasing uses of renewable energy sources.